did a thing, because what is rent? I got stuff from Ulta.com during their spring haul sale, which was so good, but so bad. My bank account's crying. So I got some stuff to play with. So let's dive in. So the first thing I got are these, because I have to own anything and everything neon, because it's so much fun. So much fun. This is what they look like, the neon eyeliners, and they come in 4 colors. The pink one is Amplified, the purple is Shock, the yellowish green color is Jolt, and the blue is Vivid. This is what they look like. I feel like these are heavier than the other Urban Decay 24/7 glide-ons that I have. I feel like this packaging is lighter than this one, but I'm not mad at the weight. It's really nice. The next thing I got is the 24-hour Artist Pass, or 24A Artist Pass eyeshadow palette, because again, the neon, it calls to me. Let's open it out. It's a beautiful neon sunset. Yeah. And that's what she looks like. This row is amazing. And there's this sparkly orange up here. It's called Wild and Out. I don't know why, but my eye keeps going to it. So I'll have to play with that later. I also got the VIP Sweep Morphe brushes that was a part of this collection. And it comes in a neon fanny pack, because again, the neon. I also really love the Morphe brushes. They're amazing. And it actually comes with a really cool brush. It comes with a silicone brush, which is cool because it has a lot of those glitter shadows that can be tough. That's probably really loud. A lot of those glitter shadows that can be tough to pick up on a regular brush. So it has this. Ooh, that's terrible. Take it out. It has this. No, still. Comes with this silicone brush to pick up those glitters, which will be easier than using a regular brush because the oils will stick to this more easily, I think is the word I'm looking for. And then I got more makeup brushes, because again, love Morphe's makeup brushes. Don't actually have a lot of makeup brushes. I got the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Primerizer by First Aid Beauty. I've used this primer before. I love it. It smells amazing. Can't wait to use it again. I also got this face mask. It's super cute. It's a bear. But apparently you like shoot the juices into the face mask. That sounded really gross. I'm gonna use this on another video. We'll see how it works. And then finally, I got an Ofra highlighter. Now, there were many shades to choose from, but I picked Glazed Donuts, which I believe is by Miss Nikki Tutorials. So pretty. And that is my Ulta haul from their spring sale. Spent a lot of money, but I'm excited to play with it all. I played with the 24/7 wired eyeliners a little bit today, trying to do that dome thing that's really popular, but I don't think I have the right eye shape for it. And then my lips are the Jeffree Star No Offense. And then on top of that, I put a little bit of the MAC Oh Sweetie blueberry one. I don't actually remember the name of it. And it doesn't say on the bottle. Well, that's all for me today. Just sharing my spring haul. And I'll see you later.